The trunk wedge spring found in many cars here. This one's actually off of a Ford vehicle, and I have a set of many different grommets, and I used a 5/8 inch, one of the solid ones, to just go ahead and repair the trunk spring. If yours are broken, you're probably going to have to replace them, but I just kind of wedged that into the end there, and I have these for spares. I bought another set just in case the other spring was broken, but these just screw into your trunk. It's threaded, and these are all plastic. Of course, the spring is metal, and sometimes they break and they can cause a lot of racket, some mysterious noises in the trunk. So anyway, these can be, if you can find a grommet of 5/8 with this particular one, and just put it back on there instead of buying a whole new thing like I did, but I didn't know exactly what I needed. So hopefully this helps you out. It's probably in a lot of different cars, but that's just a plastic, threaded plastic, so I'm going to focus there, thread on there, and you can use your wrench or spanner if you're in England. Don't forget your vitamins, and use your capo. Okay, thanks. Hope that helped you out. Bye.